Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using global entry payments with credit card rewards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up global entry payments using credit card rewards, begin by ensuring you have a valid global entry membership. Next, check which credit cards you have that offer travel rewards. Review the benefits of each card to find those that cover global entry application fees. Log into your credit card account to access your rewards program. Look for options related to redeeming points or cashback for travel expenses. Once you find the travel rewards, search for the global entry fee payment option. If applicable, select the amount needed for the global entry fee, typically around $100. Confirm your selection and ensure you have enough rewards points to cover the fee. Proceed to check your credit card's policy regarding global entry reimbursements. If your card offers reimbursement, make a note of any specific requirements or deadlines. Complete your global entry application on the official website. During the payment process, choose the credit card with the travel rewards you are using. Make sure to enter your credit card details accurately to avoid any issues. Once the payment is processed, save all confirmation emails for your records. Monitor your rewards account to confirm the points have been. After your application is approved, check if your credit card will refund any fees paid. Keep track of your global entry membership's expiration date. Plan ahead to use your credit card rewards effectively for future renewals. By following these steps, you can maximize your credit card rewards while setting up global entry payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.